Good morning. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to spend the day with me, stay tuned and enjoy the video. I like to start my day with a glass or two of water and a black Americano coffee. I like to take my vitamins and colostrum in the morning so I don't forget them later in the day. After that, I take a few minutes to gather my thoughts and ideas, planning things out so I won't feel overwhelmed or worry about forgetting anything. Once my mind feels settled, I move on to some reading. Recently, I've been really into psychology books, learning more about human behavior and how our brains work. If you're interested in this area, I recommend reading Daniel Goleman. His books are so insightful. Then I'll take a shower and do my skincare routine. It's a few steps for me. Essence water, serum, cream, and SPF, which I use year-round. My skin isn't perfect at the moment with a few pre-period pimples, but that's just how my body reacts and this time of the month, so it's okay. After that, it's time for my favorite meal of the day, breakfast. I like to have it later once I'm really hungry. Today, I'm preparing smashed avocado on bread with lemon juice, black pepper, and high-quality olive oil. I'm also adding burrata with black pepper and olive oil, plus tomatoes, cucumber, berries, and boiled egg. Once my breakfast is done, it's time to dive into work, editing and answering emails. There is always a ton of content to edit, and I love staying busy with creative work. I usually take a short break for another coffee, this time with milk. I think of it as a little dessert in the middle of the day. When computer work is done, I get ready for the gym. I'm easing back into my routine, so today's workout is more of a warm-up, working both lower and upper body without heavy weights. I recently started my training channel on YouTube, Train with Darla, where I share my workouts, so feel free to check it out. Filming workouts has been a workout of its own, but I'm enjoying it. After the gym, I started preparing some food. At home, I was craving something warm, so I decided to make a creamy tomato soup. I used tomatoes, red peppers, carrots, onions, garlic, and chili pepper, adding my favorite spices and a drizzle of olive oil. I roast everything in the oven for about an hour, then blend it all with some hot water. And that's it. I also felt like having burgers today, but what I don't love is how messy the kitchen gets while frying them. Even with splatter guard, it can be a pain to clean up after. I like to keep my burgers simple with tomato, lettuce, red onion, cheese, home pickled cucumbers, mustard, and ketchup. After the dinner, I have little dessert, and that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Okay, bye!